What's going on, buddy, and welcome back to another video. So I had to do some more work to the front part of the car. Try to do a little bit of testing off camera, and we damaged the front bumper, but I went ahead and fixed that, spray it over, and this is how it's looking again. I had to cut off a little bit down here because it seems like it was sweeping the floor a little bit when the car was coming off power. It was kind of having like a forward dip, which was ending up scraping our bumper. So I went ahead and shaved that a little bit, and then we had a shock tower failure as well that damaged this side. So I had to overall just have to spray over everything to have it looking clean, because as I said before, it did seem like I have some form of OCD where things have to just always look clean and new, but whatever, it's looking good. But I know some of you guys are here now to see the K24 K20 manifold, that manifold intercooler that I made for this setup. So let me just take off the body and show you guys what I've done. So as you can see, guys, things are a bit different. I changed the turbo replica fan from the sideway clocking that I had, and then now clock it this way where it's more forward facing, and then change up the whole intercooler settings where I had like this box thing, and it had this weird arm setup going into the motor vent. So what I did now is that I changed that, and I was like, what if I give it like a K20 K24 intercooler setup where it had the intercooler like that, and then I could just bend the pipe to go further right into the vent right there. And that's exactly what I did. It's not going to look the smoothest or the cleanest because this was done with hot glue and straws, but it's very effective. It does work, and just did it to help with the whole scale look of the car and stuff like that. If you were doing like a K20 setup or a K24 setup, this is how it would look anyways. So if you're liking the content, guys, you can drop a like and subscribe if you're new. Yeah, I want to go and see if I can do a last test and tune session with this build. You can stay tuned for that. Gonna see how the weight distribution and everything handles with this new change oil and stuff like that. But again, drop a like, stay tuned. It's creeping down on us really fast, guys, so we have to see what we can do. Let's see how best I can dial it in to even get the car back to a 3.5 even. So again, drop a like, stay tuned.